Hey, I'm Dan Vredeveld, Senior Retirement Advisor here with Richmond Brothers. Rolling over retirement savings plans to an IRA is a common strategy, whether you're transitioning to a new company or looking to take advantage of the potential tax benefits of a traditional or Roth account. One method of doing this is the 60-day rollover. With this method, you will receive a distribution of funds from your qualified retirement account and have 60 days to redeposit the funds into another qualified retirement account. Unfortunately, this complex rollover approach has room for a number of errors. But today we're going to cover 5 ways that will help you or those you love navigate the process and avoid costly mistakes. So first, do a trustee to trustee transfer instead. The best way to avoid making a 60-day rollover mistake is to avoid a 60-day rollover altogether. Transfer your funds directly to another retirement account. Not only does a direct transfer avoid any 60-day time problems, but if the rollover is coming from a 401k or other qualified plan, it will also avoid the mandatory 20% withholding requirement for taxes. Second, make checks payable to new IRA custodians. Sometimes the only way a custodian will distribute an IRA or other retirement account is in the form of a check. There is a special rule that allows a distribution by check to qualify as a direct rollover and avoid the 60-day rollover rules. When the check is made payable to the new IRA, so for example, your check might read Custodian X FBO, or for the benefit of John Doe IRA. So number 3, keep track of when you receive your distribution. Few people know when the 60-day clock actually begins. It starts when you receive the distribution. The few days between when the check was issued and when you actually received it may make all the difference in the world. Number 4, check to make sure the funds were deposited into the correct account. A common mistake occurs when funds are accidentally deposited into a non-retirement account. Once you've deposited the funds or sent them to your financial institution, take 5 minutes out of your day just to make sure they've arrived at their intended destination. If the mistake is discovered within 60 days, it can be corrected. And then number 5, be aware of the once per year IRA rollover rule. You are limited in the number of 60-day rollovers you can do in a 365-day period, The once per year rollover rule applies only to 60-day rollovers from IRA to IRA or from Roth IRA to Roth IRA. Under the rule, once funds have rolled over as a 60-day rollover, no other 60-day rollovers can be done by the account owner within the next 365 days. For this rule, IRAs and Roth IRAs are counted together. For professional assistance with your IRA rollovers or to learn more about creating your unique retirement plan, contact our office to schedule a time to visit. Richmond Brothers is here to help you make sense of your financial world. If you have any thoughts you'd like to share, please make sure to do so in the comments below. Thank you for listening and make it a great day.